Wait and see.
You're running a full conversational AI model right now. No internet, no API key, no monthly bill, and it's answering in under 2 seconds. That's Minimax M3, a free desktop app that runs a state-of-the-art LLM entirely on your machine. No cloud, no data leaving your hardware, no subscription page. Let's talk about what that actually means. Most developers hitting an LLM endpoint today are routing through someone else's server. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google. Every prompt you send travels out, gets processed on a GPU cluster you'll never see, and comes back with a bill attached. Minimax M3 cuts that wire completely. The model weights live on your disk. Inference runs on your GPU or CPU. Your prompts never touch an external network. Installation is straightforward. Download the desktop client from Minimax's official repository. It's available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. The installer bundles the quantized model weights, the inference engine, and a local API server that mirrors the OpenAI SDK format. Once installed, you start the local server with a single command. The API endpoint is localhost on port 8080. Your existing code that calls OpenAI, change the base URL, swap the API key for a local token, and you're running offline. Now, performance. On a machine with an RTX 4090 and 32 gigs of RAM, M3 delivers around 45 tokens per second at Q4 quantization. That's conversational speed. You type a question, the response starts streaming before you finish reading the prompt. On CPU-only mode, say a MacBook Pro M4 with unified memory, you're looking at 12 to 15 tokens per second. Slower, but functional. Code generation, summarization, local document analysis, all work without a discrete GPU. How does it stack against the cloud options? In conversational benchmarks, M3 scores within 5% of GPT-4o on multi-turn dialogue tasks. On vision benchmarks, it trades blows with FLUX 2 for image understanding, though it lags on generation quality. Against DeepSeek v4 on reasoning tasks, M3 holds its ground on shorter contexts, but drops off past 32K tokens. The privacy angle is where this gets serious. If you're processing client data, medical records, proprietary source code, anything that shouldn't leave your network, M3 gives you a compliant path. No data residency questions. No third-party processing agreements. The model runs where you put it. Resource usage is reasonable. At Q4, the model footprint is around 28 gigs. That fits on most modern workstations. RAM consumption during inference hovers around 22 gigs on GPU, leaving headroom for your IDE and browser. A developer building a Mac app that generates SQL queries from natural language, they can bundle M3 as a local dependency. No cloud cost scaling with user count. No latency spikes when the API is under load. The model is right there, on the user's machine every time. The trade-off is hardware. You need a decent GPU for real-time performance. If you're on integrated graphics or an older machine, expect slower responses. But for anyone with a 3070 or better, this is a genuine alternative to paying per token pricing that adds up fast. Minimax M3 isn't replacing cloud LLMs for every use case. But for developers who want local inference, privacy-conscious workflows, or just hate watching their API bill climb, it's a real option. Free, offline, running on your hardware. Full installation guide, benchmark data, and configuration examples are in the description. If you want more local AI tools broken down, subscribe to Wait and See. Your signal through the noise of AI.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.